I love caravanning, especially here in WA. You get to view the state from such a unique and raw perspective and go to places you'd otherwise never go. That doesn't mean just because you're caravanning, you have to go without your creature comforts though. Once you've got your caravan or camping setup sorted, you really can make it your own home away from home with some of the awesome new accessories on the market. Whether you're a weekend traveller or a seasoned road tripper, I'm checking out the latest in batteries and power generation accessories to make your setup easy, convenient, and maybe even a little luxurious. So Carol, I hear you've hooked me up with some of the latest and greatest accessories today. How are these going to elevate my next camping experience?
Well, when you're on your home, away from home, you're home on wheels and you're out exploring the fantastic WA scenery and landscapes, of course you're going to want your creature comforts with you and have the best of lifestyle while you're enjoying your experience.
Absolutely. And I believe you've got someone for me to meet to talk me through these?
Yes, I've got the power experts here for you who will be able to run through all the latest technology with you.
All right, sounds great. iTechworld are a Western Australian family-owned and operated company who have been applying good old-fashioned Aussie innovation to the power storage market since 2006. And Jordan is here to walk me through some of the latest gadgets on the market. So Jordan, looks like we've got some pretty swanky products lined up today. Talk me through them, what have we got?
Yeah, so we'll start off with like our power stations. We've got our fridges, petrol inverter generators. We've got lithium batteries, jump starters, you name it, power, we've got it.
Amazing. So the first thing I ask my husband when we pull up at a site is, do I have power for my coffee machine? It's very important. Are these going to run my coffee machine?
Yeah, most definitely. So with a power station like this, easily run your coffee machine. With a power station similar to this, you can run your caravan air conditioner, charge your phones.
So fully off-grid situations are covered?
Yeah. So if you're going up to Exmouth, going away for a weekend trip, any of these power stations will suit your needs and your power needs as well.
Fabulous. So no matter if you're a full-time caravanner or just planning your first camping trip, iTechworld and the team from Caravan Camping WA have you sorted with all the latest in camping accessories. If you want to check out all the latest accessories that iTechworld has to offer, plus anything related to caravanning camping, make sure you mark March 20 to 23rd in your diary for the Perth Caravan and Camping Show. The guys will be there and they can't wait to help you make your next camping trip one to remember.